Hi, welcome to the Cook for Your Life YouTube channel. I'm Anne Ogden-Gaffney, and today we're going to be talking about apples. Now, apples are one of my favorite fruits. They are really good for you. I mean, they say an apple a day keeps the doctor away, and actually could be pretty well true. Apples are full of vitamin C. They're really super rich in fiber, and especially if you eat the whole thing. And there's so many different types. You can have apples which are tart, like Granny Smith, those really green ones, or you can have really sort of red apples which are very sweet, like Red Delicious. But these days at the market, especially in New York, you know, we are the big apple after all, there are all kinds of different apples that you can get. From sort of like tart and crispy Honey Crisps to Red Ruby Frost, which is a new apple which is totally delicious. It's sweet, but somehow it's not boring. There are so many different types of Gala, and you know, any number of wonderful apples. And the thing is too that they are a great way to cook very simple, very delicious desserts. From things like baked apples, which are really easy, to adding them to cakes, to just sautéing them with meat. There's all kinds of different things you can do to bring your apples into your cooking, your whole apples into your cooking. And I never juice apples, as delicious as the juice is, because apples do have a lot of sugar, and when you juice them, you're actually really just extracting all the fiber and you end up with the sugar. So it's not such a great thing to drink a lot of. But by all means, cut apple into smoothies, because then you're going to get all the goodness of the whole apple. So, look at that.